Dear viewers, I'm back with lesson 10. Before I start teaching anything new today, I want to address one of the subscribers. Hey, Mr. Dombrowski from Brazil. You asked me if I had any Instagram page. Yes, I do have an Instagram page, and this is called Baneebee. Okay, you just need to search writing Baneebee on Instagram, and the page you will find, it will have the same yellow profile picture that I'm using for my YouTube channel. Okay, this is how you will know that that page is also owned by me. So see you there, and thank you very much for your kind comment, encouraging remarks about my class. That was really, really special. So see you on Instagram. And yeah, back to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn a very complicated vowel. Okay, I'm trying to scare you, but don't get scared. So yeah, if you look at these three, this is A, you already know this, A, and this one is new, right? So yeah, we are going to talk about this. This is A, just like hat, the A sound in hat. What did I do? So hat, cat. So this A, okay, this is the sound. And what is different here? We just joined A sign with this O, and this became A, right? A vowel letter. And what is unique? This wave is special here, and that makes it A sound like in hat. Okay, now we will learn how to use it to form a word. So let's take a known word. Today we are not going to learn any new word, okay? We will just use our known English words. We will do some transliteration and learn to use this vowel. Okay, so we will write Annie. Okay, for Annie, this is A sound, and we already have our A here. Okay, A, and now we need, what do we need? We need no, definitely, right? So yeah, so that makes it An, but we will have to make it Annie. Annie, right? Okay, now we know how to use this A letter. And yeah, I should tell you something, that these three vowel letters, it can be used only in the beginning of a Bangla word. It can't be used in the middle of a word or at the end of a word. Okay, but some of you who have watched the previous lesson made by me, you might say that no, I was there for writing Quran. Okay, Quran was not a Bangla word. So that was an exception, but for all the Bangla words or the Sanskrit words, that's a rule that these three vowel letters cannot be used inside the word or at the end of a word. So this appears only in the beginning, these three. Okay, done. Now we will learn the symbol of this, like the vowel signs. These are the letters, so we will learn the symbols for this. You remember that what was the symbol for this? It didn't have any symbol because all Bangla letters have built-in O ending. That's why it doesn't have any vowel sign, but this one does have, right? And what is the sign for this? Okay, this one, this wave and this A vowel sign. Together they make the representative or the symbol of the sign or the sign for this vowel letter. Okay, so this is for A and this is for A letter. Okay, this is a sign, this is also a sign. Now let's use this sign for making a word. Let's take another English word. What can be that word? Black, right? Okay. Black. Now to write black, what do we need? Bo, then law, and then ko, right? So if we put these three side by side, it is bollock, but we need to make it black. So that means we will definitely need the a vowel sign. So we'll take this a vowel sign, right? And we will put it after law. Okay. Now I need akar. Okay. Now let's try to pronounce what we have done. Bolak. See what happened? Bolak. Because most of the Bangla letters, actually not most of all the Bangla letters have O ending. So I must say bolak, but it should be black. Now look at here. This is a consonant cluster. Two consonants are together. So in Bangla, when we put two consonants side by side, and as both of these has O ending, so it might create this confusion like bolak, but we need to make it black. So for the consonant clusters, what we do, instead of putting it side by side, we do it in this way. So yeah, the second letter, the second consonant goes under the first one. So if I write it, it will be like this. Bo, and then this A sign, black. Okay, so when you make a cluster with two consonants, you need to make both of the letters shorter so that it looks like of the same size. So see, ko is a single letter, bo and law, they are joined together, and it should be of the same size so that it looks beautiful. Okay, so this is a consonant cluster. Now what happens with most of the language learners who try to learn Bangla as their second or third language, they look at these consonant clusters and get very frightened. They think that, hey, this is a whole new word. But it's not a new word. You know the real letters, right? So these two, instead of sitting side by side, they are just like this, and they became smaller, right? So yeah, that's it. Sometimes they change their looks when they are joined, but most of the time this is basically this. So you don't need to get frightened or scared or anything like that. Okay, so yeah, this is how we put our consonant clusters. So okay, this is black, and now I will give you task to, so that I can understand if you have understood my explanation or not. So you will do some transliteration for me in the comment section. You will write blue, and you will write Athena, and you will write blackmail. Okay, these three you will have to do transliteration for. Okay, for these three words. So I'm looking forward to getting your answers, and before I end today's lesson, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. And yeah, see you in the next lesson. Bye.